Today is a good day. Today I get to watch the look on your face as justice is being served. I'm not afraid of you anymore. You no longer have power or control over me. Today I'm free.
Emotional testimony in a King County courtroom. Brittany England watches as her former boyfriend is sentenced after years of abuse.
We're not just talking about strangulation, but strangulation to unconsciousness. And Miss England testified that, again, happened more than one time. Miss England, frankly, is lucky to be alive.
Alive and willing to testify, thanks in part to another person in the courtroom, Officer Tyler Davidson.
When these charges were filed, she was dealing with a lot of her own struggles, a lot of her own challenges outside of this case. And despite those challenges, Tyler really went above and beyond to continue to maintain contact with her, continue to keep tabs on her, let her know what was going on, and essentially keeping her on board with this case. And I think without those efforts, we never would have been able to bring the case to trial.
We had a constant communication throughout the process where she understood the process, so she wasn't scared with the process, and she kind of knew what to expect, what was going to be coming down the road.
Davidson is a detective with Kirkland's Family Violence Unit.
Primarily focus on the domestic violence cases, the child protective services cases, the adult protective services cases. Detective Davidson.
He works with victims and helps prosecutors build cases against abusers.
In addition to being really compassionate towards the victims, he's also a really thorough and effective investigator.
Davidson was able to help in another case, even when the victim did not testify.
We prosecuted somebody with a long history of domestic violence, felony convictions, and were able to convict him of 2 additional felony violation convictions without the victim, and that was because of the investigation that Tyler was able to put together.
What happened here in your treatment of another human being was repugnant, dehumanizing, misogynistic. There's no other way to put it.
Urine Woods was sentenced to 9 months in jail for assaulting Brittany England.
So much of the time, these guys aren't held accountable. They're just not. And it's such a battle for so many reasons to hold them accountable. So when you can, it's a great feeling.
It's nice to see when we do help people and see how their life changes.
But now when I look at myself, it's a reminder that I'm a survivor, not a victim.
Detective Davidson is being awarded the Norm Mailing Law Enforcement Professionalism Award.